Hello everyone, my name is Isis. I'm cafe manager in Zurich and I come from Brazil. Today I will show you how you can make an easy feijoada at home. I hope you enjoy it. Feijoada is consumed by all Brazilians at Sunday lunch or on special occasions. But on daily basis, black beans, only seasoned with garlic, are consumed daily by all Brazilians as they are rich in vitamins, fibers, and minerals. You can also do the vegan version with tofu. Soak the beans in water for about 8 to 12 hours. Discard the water from the beans and place it to cook in a pressure cooker along with the bay leaves. Cover with hot water and heat. Cover the pan and after it takes pressure, lower the heat and leave to cook for 20 minutes. In a frying pan, sauté the onions and garlic chopped in the oil until golden brown. Add the chopped carrot and cook for another 10 minutes. Separately, in a frying pan, add the oil and when it's very hot, brown the sieved tofu. Reduce the heat and squeeze the tofu with a spatula without falling apart. Turning when golden on each side is crispy. Then add the mushroom and golden for about 5 minutes. Add to the beans and adjust with salt, pepper, the parsley, and spring onion. I wish you all bon appetit!